Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust video in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you will be needing to do now is just to open your Filmora and then open your projects. To open the project, you will be needing just to go to File, New Projects to create a new project or open an existing project. So now you can simply go to Media and from here you can start importing the media. So you can simply like take images, videos, etc. and then you can just drag and drop them. So here I'm just going to use this video and now we are just going to see some ways to adjust your video. So basically Filmora gives you full control on your video. So basically you can adjust the duration. You can simply go to extremities and then uh, drag left and right to adjust the duration. You can also clip your video. So for example, you can add a clip here and you can adjust the duration of this clip. Otherwise, you can like simply go to the video panel here, like the property panel, and from here you can adjust everything concerning the video. You can adjust its own audio, like by adding the volume, as you can see the spikes. You can decrease the volume, add some balance, etc. You can adjust the color as the lightnings. So let's just go to this video. As you can see, we can adjust lightning, the blackness, brightness, contrast, the highlights, and everything in the video. You can also start like having the curves to have like the more control or the most control on your video. You choose the colors and you can choose the type of the hue, saturation, and that stuff by using the curves. Also, you can adjust like the video by adding some, for example, effects. Let's suppose you want some blurring. You can simply go to this blurring. You drag and drop it on any video that you would like. So for example, let's add blur to this video. And from here, you will have this effect that will be added. And from here, you can start like adding blur and increase it, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.